Hi everyone. So this video will briefly explain what you need to do for next week. A lot of what I would explain for the SIR is the same as what I explained last week, so I'm not going to go over the rubric fully because you can reference the other video for the same information. So for this coming week, just as a reminder, to get to the online component, you will go to course modules. We are in module B. From there, we just finished vocabulary this week, so that's done. And you will click onto the reading comprehension strategies and connections. From there, you will go into the online component. You will see that you have this video, and these are the questions. And you will submit your response to these 3 questions. You can do it in one post and then just number. That's fine with me. Make sure you reply to 2 other people. Now it does say assigned readings. I misspoke. I thought the readings were to help you with these questions. The readings are separate to bring to class, so that is my fault. I'm sorry, I misspoke upon that. But you will need for the online component to watch the video, answer the 3 questions, and then I will show you where to find the readings. So to find the readings, you will go to the Face-to-Face 6. That will take you to Readings Due by Session 6. And then from there, you'll see that the elementary, you have this reading. Secondary teachers, so I'd say 6 through 12, this is your reading. And then all grades, you'll pick one from here. This is split up by content level. So English teachers, you'll see something for you. Math, same thing. Science and social studies. If you are a pre-K or elementary teacher, I would pick what you focus on mostly in your classroom and go from there. Again, I am very sorry. I thought that this was part of your online component, and I did not realize it was separate. So I am sorry I misspoke in class about this. After that, for your SIRs, you are going to go to where it says Assignment Dropbox. You'll click on the SIRs, and then you'll see that there's option A and B. Option A is going to be the 7 steps, but expanded. Option B is going to be sentence frames or sentence stems. So when you look at the 7 steps, again, reference the YouTube video I made last week because everything is the same. Your rubric is the same for the lesson sequence, content objective. In this area here, you tell me what the 7 steps are. To get a lot of credit for these reflection parts, you would tell me what you do in class specifically. You would tell me quotes from students so you can show me their learning, and then you can tell me your next steps. And these should be very clear next steps to get the full points. This bottom section, these 3 questions that you will see here, are graded very heavily. When you get to the strategy part for this SIR, you'll see that it says word 1, and then if you keep scrolling down, there are places for you to add your other words. And again, right here it says choose 3 to 5 words. You're going to see 5 spots. If you don't do 5 words, as long as you do at least 3 words, that is fine. If you choose to do the sentence frames, the way you are graded and the rubric is exactly the same as the sentence frames. You still have to do the lesson sequence, content objective, language objectives, tiered words, nothing there changes. For this section, you will actually answer these questions here in this section. This can be brief, just answer those questions. And then these are the same questions you've had before. Again, what are you doing in the class? Give me quotes from the students. And what are your next steps? Each of these should have at least a paragraph answer in them. And then if you keep scrolling to the bottom, you'll see that this SIR actually has the example that we had in the participant manual about the bees. But if you keep scrolling down, all the way down, you'll come to what we were filling in today in class, and you would fill that in with your own information. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. And I will see you all next week for our short class. Again, I'm sorry about my mistake with the readings.